Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm preparing to do my hair for the day using my Sisterlock moisturizer. Notice I use very little. I have started to comb my hair back with my fingers. You guys, I hope this works. I saw this video. I saw this hairstyle earlier done by someone else. I can't tell you what the person's name is right now, but I will post her in the video. I'll post her name in the video. And again, good morning. Thank you, subscribers, for joining in. Trying to decide if I am going to do a braid or a twist. I think I'll just go ahead and do a twist. And I will be right back. I bought some gray rubber bands for my hair for a different purpose, but I'm going to use it this morning. Now, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the Gene G family. There's no reason to wait. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Because it's free. It will cost you nothing. And you just might learn something being a part of this family. And now I'm going to take this twist, I'm going to take it across here. And I'm going to take my bobby pin, I'm going to pin it here. Notice how I brought my hair across. I'm going to take this one across here. Or across over here. She did a little bit of flipping, but of course her hair is certainly longer than mine. I'm going to take this one to the back. I'm going to tuck it in to the back of that twist. Pin it down. Sure it's comfortable for me. Let that go. And believe you me, this is my hairstyle for the day. Yes, this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. Yes, and I appreciate Him. I love Him. I praise Him, and I try to give Him glory. for all the wonderful things that He does in my life, through my life. Yes, God is really good, truly good. And as some would say, and I'll say it too, He's amazing. He is amazing. Have a great day. The next thing you see will be my outfit of the day. And I thank the young lady for doing this hairstyle because I really like it a lot. I'm going to wear this often.